Case file number 008, the half double crochet procedure. This is case file number 008. We are reviewing restored footage from the digital archives. The subject demonstrates an intermediate structural maneuver within the textile arts, the half double crochet. The procedure initiates with standard protocols. A rudimentary slip knot is formed. The subject establishes a foundational sequence, chaining 15 discrete units. The boundary is marked at the 15th stitch. 2 supplementary chains are added to establish the necessary elevation. Observe the primary maneuver. The hardware targets the 3rd chain from the hook. The subject executes a yarn over prior to insertion. The hook enters the chain, and the fiber is pulled through the initial loop. 3 loops now occupy the hardware. A secondary yarn over is executed, and the fiber is pulled through all 3 loops simultaneously. This completes the half double crochet. The sequence is repeated across the row. Yarn over, insert, pull through 1, pull through all 3. A continuous rhythmic progression. The subject reaches the terminus of the initial chain. The material is pivoted. 2 chains provide the elevation for the secondary level. Notice the insertion point. The subject identifies multiple structural paths, but selects the standard top chains. The hook passes beneath the dual upper loops. The primary maneuver resumes. The evidence shows this standard application yields a distinct texture, a ribbed effect on one side, while the opposite remains smooth. The subject pivots the material for a 3rd sequence. Here, we document a deliberate structural deviation. To maintain a uniformly smooth anterior surface, the subject alters the insertion point. The hardware is directed exclusively into the front loops of the prior stitch. The half double crochet maneuver is executed entirely within this anterior boundary. This specific isolation technique forces the ribbed texture to the posterior side, leaving the primary facing surface entirely flat. This concludes our observation of case file number 008. Analog crafts for a digital world.